Social media in our society. Julianne Moore. What is social media? Social media is a primarily internet-based tool for sharing and discussing information, thoughts, or ideas. It is the collection of online spaces available to anyone who is interested. Social media has a way of influencing our society in more ways than one. Some may believe it is the greatest invention, and others may believe that it is ruining the future generations and citizens of our society. Chris Lake, a digital consultant, says, "It's about participation, which can happen on your site and elsewhere. It boosts engagement, and as such, you must learn to love it." Some examples of social media websites would include Facebook, Twitter, Snapchat, and Instagram. How fast is it growing? Individuals and companies like to use social media in order to grow personally or grow business. Because of this, social media continues to explode. It has become the outlet for everything. 53% of employers research potential candidates online and view their social medias before hiring them. 71% of companies use Facebook, and 59% of them use Twitter as a way to reach their intended audiences. Pros. Social media allows us to connect with others anywhere in the world at any point in time. 93% of adults on Facebook use this site to connect with family members. Being able to put whatever you would like onto the internet allows others to communicate back to you and give you confidence and feedback. Growing businesses on social media has become so popular, and most employers look for candidates through social media. Pros. Social media allows you to receive news and information as fast as you possibly can. Most people turn to social networking as a time to relax or have fun. You can receive an instant response or communication from anyone who is also on the same social media site as you. Dating sites are a great way to meet people. Cons. Research has been conducted to show whether or not social media is related to mental illnesses. In 2014, Dr. Primack and some of his colleagues sampled close to 2,000 adults that live in the U.S. to determine how much time they spend on social media and if they have depression. Their data included that people who visit social media sites more than 30 times per week are more likely to have higher levels of depression. An article written by the Huffington Post talks openly about how social media is letting people hide behind technology and allowing them to disconnect from the real world because they do not know how to communicate face-to-face. This is causing people to become more isolated and can also lead to mental illnesses. Cons. Cyberbullying is the third leading cause of death in teenagers. Younger generations are constantly on social media, which makes them open to bullying. Only 1 in 10 children tell their parents that they are being bullied on the web. Cyberbullying can lead to more serious health issues such as depression or suicide. 64% of people who use social media websites have said that they have read something that has later turned out to be untrue. The following slides are my citations in APA-style format.